is up, everybody? Today, this video might be really interesting, and you can do it at home. So this is like a weather thingy, but it's gonna be something that we haven't done on YouTube. And look, so there's videos that you could make tornadoes in water, but it's really hard, right? But then, if you want to do it easy, you could check this video out. So then, yeah, I'm show you the list of how to make a tornado form inside water, and that is called a whirlpool. And yeah, so let's just get on to it. First, we need a cup of water. I mean, not a cup of water. This large. Yeah, and yeah, I gotta fill it in. Yeah. So first, you gotta water. You can make it. You can get a large one or a little one, but depending, it needs to have a top. It needs to have a top. Oh God. What did my phone? Okay. The top is what? This is like a failure of it. Anyways, let me just make this up. Still just a little bit of water. Yeah. Let's close it. Make sure it's think I don't know, it's pretty like this, but spilled on me. But I don't know when we can do it like this. Okay, what is this? Is like a failure or something? So I'll make it closer so you can see what happens. So you don't need to like get to like 2 cups. You just get 1 cup, big bottle, not cup. I keep on forgetting the difference something. And yeah, put water and then get a top. And it needs to be stapled. Okay, so look, I'm gonna make a tornado. See a tornado? There's a tornado there. But look, tornado can actually make it messed up. Making a tornado. See that? See a tornado, right? Tornado. I don't know if you guys see it. See that? So that's how you make a tornado water, and it's pretty easy. So if you're interested in that or obsessed with it, you can watch this video. So so we're giving a shout out to one person. I'm giving a shout out to, I'm gonna show you guys right now. What is her name? Check her out. Shout out to TheRockingRowlet. Shout out to her. She subscribed to me with a deal. I gave her a pet in Ninja Legends, and she liked it. She has a fun time with it, and she's still playing the games. She's still playing the game, and she's already to infinite, and it's starting to sprinkle outside. Sprinkle rain outside. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget, shout out to again TheRockingRowlet. I'm gonna show you guys TheRockingRowlet. Let me show her. She's a girl. It's loading. It's loading. You guys see anything? Check out to TheRockingRowlet. Her. I also have a funny description. Hello. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and get the bell icon if you want to get videos uploaded on your time. And it'll be notified to you. So, hope you guys enjoy it. This is how I make it. I go like this, and then I press the button to turn it.